Welcome back, Warriors. In today's episode of our Unity 2D RPG series, we're giving our hero a weapon, and more importantly, the ability to attack in every direction. Whether you're facing up, down, or sideways, we'll set up a system to trigger the right attack animation based on your movement direction. This is a huge step toward building dynamic and responsive combat in your game. So grab your sword and let's slash some pixels. And hey, if you're enjoying this series, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next upgrades to our RPG world. Alright, let's jump into Unity and get to work on our attack animations. Open the animation window and make sure your player character is selected in the hierarchy. We're going to create 3 new animations for now. Create new clip, name the first one attack side, and save it inside your animations folder. Drag and drop the sprites for the side attack into the timeline. Adjust the keyframes to make it feel snappy and impactful. Once you're done, repeat the same process to create the attack up and attack down animations. Keep the frame rate consistent, like 12 frames per second, and make sure loop time is disabled. We only want the animation to play once per attack. Now that we have our attack animations ready, let's set up the animator to play them based on which way the player is facing. Open the animator window and select your player animator controller. First, let's add a new parameter. Click the plus button in the Parameters tab, select Bool, and name it is attacking. This will control whether or not the player is currently in an attack state. Next, let's create transitions from the movement blend tree to each of these attack states. For example, right-click on your walk blend tree and choose Make Transition Attack Side. In the inspector, uncheck Has Exit Time. We want the attack to trigger immediately. Now add 2 conditions. Is attacking equal to true X input greater than 0.1 or less than negative 0.1, depending on how you handle left-right flipping. Repeat this logic for attack up with condition input greater than 0.1 and attack down with Y input less than negative 0.1. This setup ensures the correct attack animation is triggered based on the direction the player is facing when the attack input is received. Now, let's write the code that will trigger the attack animation when we click the mouse or press a key. To keep things clean and scalable, I'm moving the attack logic into a new script called playerattack.cs. This will handle all input, animation, and logic related to melee combat, while our movement script stays focused on, well, movement. It's a good habit that pays off when your project grows. Let's start by creating a new script called playerattack. This will handle our melee attack input and logic, and keep our code organized. Back in Unity, select your player and attach the player attack script to the same game object. Now drag the animator and rigid body 2D into the correct slots in the inspector. Let's make sure our attack resets after the animation finishes. Open your attack down animation in the animation window, go to the last frame, and click the Add Event button. Call the reset attack method we just created. Repeat this for all attack animations. Let's create a dedicated animation for attacking to the left. Just duplicate the side attack state, add a new transition, click on the transition arrow, and in Inspector, uncheck Has Exit Time. Add conditions. Alright, now that we've set up the left side attack animation, let's hit play and test it out. I'll move the player to the left using the arrow keys or A key, and then click to attack. If everything works correctly, the player should play the left attack animation when facing left and return back to the movement state right after. Make sure the transition feels smooth, the animation only plays once, and your player doesn't get stuck. If your character flips correctly and the attack looks good, great job, it's working. Now don't forget to smash that like button if this helped and subscribe to stay tuned. We're going to make this RPG feel truly alive.